Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Hopper. Today I'll guide you through setting an app or game to high CPU priority. First, you have to ensure the application you want to prioritize is open. Then go to the bottom of your computer, click on Search, and type in Task Manager. Select to open. Then click on Details on the left. Locate your application. Right-click on it and choose Set Priority. You can then select High and confirm the change. If this method doesn't work, you can use an alternative approach. You can open the registry editor by searching for this, then navigate to this, right-click, choose New, and create a key with the name of your application. Next, create another key named Perfoptions, and within that, create a DWord value named CPUPriorityclass. Set its value to 3. Restart your system. After restarting, reopen Task Manager, and you'll find your application with the priority set to high, as configured through the Registry Editor. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.